Next week is the exam.
That's all we got.
Well, dang, man. This is going to be the last one and everybody bailed?
Yep.
All right.
Use the Gaussian elimination to solve the equation if possible. Times it all by 2.
Okay. I'll be honest. I haven't done the homework yet. We've been busy with other crap.
So I'll explain it to you then.
Thanks, man.
So we want to eliminate variables. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we can cancel out one of the variables. And so if you look at it, there's an x and then there's a 2x, right? And so it'd be easiest if we just times the whole thing by -2 so we can get rid of that x. Does that make sense?
Okay. So the entire, all three series of equations are just the first, and there's the first one. Because I'm just wondering if maybe Gaussian elimination is something we've already been doing. I'm not familiar with the name of it. But okay, let's just roll through it and I'll pick it up as we go and I'll write it down too.
All right, cool. So we're going to times the top one by -2.
Okay.
And then the middle one stay the same. And then the bottom one by -1.
Wait, if we're doing the top one by -1, why are we doing the bottom one by negative? Sorry, if we're doing the top by -2, why are we doing the bottom by -1?
I don't think it matters. I think as long as you just times the entire row by the same number.
Because then we add all three of them together and it cancels out? Okay, gotcha. Gotcha. -2x. But wait, wouldn't we just... Okay, I'm sorry. I'll let you run through this and then I'll ask questions as we go. So we're multiplying the top by -2 and the bottom by -1.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
And then we're not multiplying.
Just hold on. This is confusing because I think you're right. I think you have to times the whole thing by the same. Hold on. Let me figure this out. All right. So I've got the answer. I just need to figure out how to solve it because I figured out a way on the calculator to solve for the matrices, but as far as getting it out on my paper, 1 second.
I need to get a different pen like that one. freaking pens are dying because I've had them for 100 years. I don't throw things away very often.
Let's come back to this one.
Okay.
Move on to number 2. So if you're given any two matrices in the same size, let's call them matrix A and matrix B. Would KA plus B equals KA plus KB for any constant K? You're using an example. Well, let's draw a matrix C and put like 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 5. Sorry, 1 second.
No, dude, you're fine. So are you drawing out a matrix right now?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. I just figure I'll at least follow along. I can pick it up pretty quick. You just doing like a 2x2?
Yeah.
What are you putting in for the numbers? I just figure we'll do the same thing so that way
Yeah.
I can follow along.
In the first one, I put going left to right. It's 3, 1, and then middle row 4, 2, and then the bottom row 2, 5. The other one I put 6, 1, and then 3, 6, and then 2, 9.
Okay. And then what do we want to put in? So we would just add them together first because I want to show an example, right?
Yeah, so what I did, so if you add those together, you'll come out with the matrix 9, 2, 7, 8, 4, 14, right?
Yep.
Okay. And so then if you just times that by 2, that'll be your KA plus B because we already added A and B together. And so if you just times that whole matrix C by 2, you get 18, 4, 14, 16, 8, 28, right?
Yep.
Okay. So then
we're going to do K or 2 times the individual matrices and then add them together?
Exactly. You got it. You know
Okay.
what you're doing.
Well, I just wanted to make sure I'm doing this right because it's like, I'm not going to lie, I'm really struggling in this class just because like I hate not learning in the classroom. I thought I would like it, but for this, no, it's the worst.
Yeah. And so when you do that, you're going to come out with 6, 2, 8, 4, 4, 10, right? And then you're going to come out with 12, 2, 6, 12, 4, 18, right?
Mm-hmm. When you add it together, that's 18, 4, 14, 16, 8, 28. Okay. So then that would be yes.
Yeah, yes, there is no difference.
So right, but then how? Oh, never mind. I was going to ask how do we explain it, but then it just says explain your answer using an example. So that's what we did.
Yeah. And then part A to that is would you be able to multiply M times N matrix with an N times P matrix? If so, what would the size of the resultant matrix be? If not, explain why.
I would say yes, because I mean we can factor out the n, right? So it'd be n times mp. Or sorry, n parentheses mp, correct?
Yeah. Yes, because M times N and N times P are the same. And then the matrix would equal 2 by 2, right?
I'm sorry, man. That thing totally just dropped on me. So how do we know what the size of the resultant matrix would be when we have m times n and an n times p matrix? Wouldn't it be that whatever size the m and p matrices were?
That's what I thought. That's why I said yeah.
Okay, because it doesn't like specify how like, yeah. Okay, I'm good with that.
All right, and then number 3, convert 0.181818 to a fraction by using the repeating decimal as an infinite geometric series. Show all of your work. What?
I have no idea, dude.
Convert it to a fraction by repeating the decimal. All right, I think it would be shoot, dude. I don't know. You know what 0.18 would be as a fraction?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. But hold on. So let's see. So if we I over 100 plus 1 over. Right. Oh, okay. Okay.
Close.
What's 18 divided by 199? Or sorry, 18 divided by 99. There you go. There it is. Okay, so what we have to do.
How'd you find that? What the?
Okay, so what you do is you take 47 over 100, and then you divide that by 1 minus 1 over 100. Okay? And so you take the 0.18, so that's where you get the 18 over 100 because it's repeating. Some magical stuff. Yeah. So then it winds up being the 18 over 100 over 1 minus 1 over 100. Okay, so then that's 18 over 100 over 99 over 100. And then you just factor that, or whatever, bring that 100 on the denominator up, multiply it in, and then that gets you 18 over 99.
So
Dude, I flipping hate this so much.
you just got a mic drop right there. You figure it out and then just drop the mic.
Well, I was sitting here and I was like talking, I was explaining it to you, and then like I'm like, okay, well you do this and then that and then this and that, and I was like, you got that? And I look over and you're just frozen, sitting there, smiling, like figuring out what the heck how I got that. Okay, so can you hear me now? We're good?
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Okay, so basically, what you do is you take the repeating part of the decimal,
Yeah.
and you turn that into a fraction. So we got 0.18. That's going to be 18 over 100.
Yeah.
Okay. So then you put that as the numerator, and then as the denominator, you do 1 minus 1 over 100.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because that's the equation, and then you get 0.18 divided by 0.99, and then that gets you 0.1818, and then so that's 1899.
Yep, and then you can reduce that down to like it's 2 over 11. I don't know the best way to do that, and you could probably do it prior to. Let's see, it'd be 9 over 50, and didn't really get any better than that. So
3/11.
It's 2/11.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
I know. I did the same thing the first go too. But yeah. I don't know. Do you think that's going to constitute as an explanation?
Yes, sir, it is.
All right. Awesome. I just got to try and remember exactly what Gaussian elimination is.
So now, let's look at our textbook.
We're allowed to do that on quizzes?
Yeah.
Okay. I wasn't entirely sure. Let's see. I'm going to write this out here. I think we're just trying to cancel out a variable. I think that's what Gaussian elimination is. I'm not sure, though.
It is. I know it is. I've just got to figure out, because you got to be able to times the top. You got to be able to times the whole thing by itself, by the same number, I think. And anytime you times any of the numbers together, it like screws it up. Let's just take away the third one and just go with the 2 right now. So let's go x minus 3z equals -2. And then 3x plus y minus 2z equals 5. I didn't know how to work with this one. So you times the top one by -3.
Right.
3x plus 9z equals +6.
Mm-hmm.
So then you're left with y minus 7z equals 11.
Wait, wouldn't it be, hold on. Wouldn't it be y plus 7z?
That's what I meant.
Okay.
My bad.
Okay, no, I'm just making sure.
You take that one and you put it with the third one, and that's how you'll get rid of the y.
Wait, how do you mean you put it with the?
So the third one that we got rid of on the first time. So the bottom.
Oh,
one,
got it. Okay. Yeah, I flipped the piece of paper over and I don't have that on here. I'm like, wait, what?
So it'll be 2x plus 2y plus z equals 4 times the top one by -2. So then you're left with 2x plus 15z equals 26.
Hold on. Where did you go from that? Where did you go to get that?
I times the top equation by -2.
Right. I got 2y plus 7z is equal to 8. I don't know what I did wrong, but so then we got -2x plus 6z equals to 4. And then 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. The x's cancel out. And that leaves us with 2y plus 7z is equal to 8, right?
Did you times the entire top equation by -2?
I did.
So with the -2, you should have gotten -2y plus 14z equals 22.
There's no y in the top equation. That's x.
No, because on the first one, the x is canceled out.
Right.
Y plus 7z equals 11.
Wait, what? Y plus 7z equals 11, right? But then when we're multiplying the first equation, that x minus 3z is equal to -2, and then with the bottom equation,
the x's cancel out.
right? So that leaves us with.
Then you're left with y plus 7z equals 11.
Wouldn't it be 2y though?
Yeah.
Because it's a 2y on the bottom equation.
Why is it 2y?
Because it's 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4.
Here. So if you look at my, so if you look at this, so your original equation, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Then you go over here and you take 3x plus 9z. So we times that by -3 or -3, yeah. So it'll be -3x plus 9z.
Oh,
equals 6.
wait. Oh, so we're doing the first equation with the second equation?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. That's where I went wrong. I'm doing the first and the last.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So then by -3x plus 9z is equal to 6.
And then the middle one is going to be 3x plus y minus 2z equals -5 or +5. And then those put together is y plus 7z equals 11.
Okay, yeah, I've got that one.
Okay, and then so when you put that up top, it's going to be y plus 7z equals 11, and then you're going to put the third equation, the very bottom one from the very beginning, underneath that. And so then you're going to come out with your y's canceling, so it's going to be 2x plus 15z equals 26.
Got it. Okay, so you multiplied that by 2, so it'd be 2y plus 14z is equal to 22, right?
-2y.
Sorry,
yeah.
-2y.
Yeah.
Got it. And then you added that to equal to. So then is 2x minus 13z is equal to -18?
No, because it's 22 plus 4.
Isn't that a -22 though?
You're right, yeah. -8 plus 15z equals -18.
I got 2x minus 13z, right? Because
yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Okay, and then
I mean,
do you see
honestly.
that y?
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Do you see that y plus 7z equals 11?
Yeah.
Let's solve for z in that one. So it'll be z equals y actually let's solve for crap. Let's see.
Well, hey, since we've got the 2x minus 13z is equal to -18, can't we just take that first equation, solve it for x, and then substitute it in? So I've got x is equal to 3z minus 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Two parentheses 3z minus 2 minus 13z is equal to 18.
By -2.
Wait, why do we have to times it by? Oh, do we have to get everything to cancel out, or?
Yeah, we want the x to cancel out to solve for z.
Well, hold on. Can't we just solve that top equation for x and then substitute that in? Or is that not Gaussian elimination?
Yeah, I'm sure you could. I just thought that this is what I would do, but yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's do it that way. So hold on. What did you multiplied it by? -2.
-2.
Okay. So I've got -2x plus 6z is equal to 4. Put that over 2x minus 13z is equal to negative 18. So we've got negative
So-
7z is equal to negative 14, which is z is equal to 2.
Yep.
Okay. And then we can just plug that right back in there, right?
Yep. And we can solve for x. And so it'll be x minus 3 times 2 equals negative 2. So it'll be x minus 6 equals negative 2, or x is equal to 4.
Okay. And then we just
then
plug
we
it in.
can plug that one into like the bottom one. So it'll be 2 times 4 plus 2 times
2y.
2y plus 2 equals 4. And that'll be 8 plus 2y plus 2 equals 4. And then, so then it'll be 4 minus 2 is 2, negative 6. So then 2y is equal to negative 6, or y equals negative 3.
Okay. So then it would be parentheses 4 comma negative 3 comma 2. All right.
Look at that.
Oh, man.
I think we might have got 100% on this quiz, dude.
Dude, I think so too. That makes me happy.
My
There
laptop
you
just
go.
died. 1 second.
Oh, you're on your phone?
I'm on both because my sound isn't working on my laptop for some reason.
Oh, dude, I didn't know you could do Google Hangouts from your phone.
Yeah, there's an app.
That's awesome. Okay.
All right. Well, I think that's it, isn't it?
Yeah. I think that's it. Well, hey, I might wind up here, go ahead, take us off air real quick.
1 second.
Hey, I actually gotta go. But I'll shoot you a text later, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Which one? Just real quick, because your number is 509-723, right? No.
No, mine's 208.
208-392-7111.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, because I might have a couple more questions for you, but I gotta go take care of this this glass thing. So hey, take care, man. And in case I don't see you before I leave from Rexburg, good luck, man.
Yeah, you too. We'll see ya.
All right, take care, bro.
All right, bye.